Let's see. Is the bird still in here? I don't... Not over there. I think it might be gone.
You too scared as ever go on that fucking run for your house. You must have had the doors open by now.
Yeah, probably. Look at that squirrel.
What are you looking at me for? See, the doors were open. You got out.
Yeah. Now watch the squirrel come in. He's looking
You
at
look like a chipmunk.
Oh, you scared it away.
I'm sorry. Fucking nice grandfather. I don't need that shit.
I'm still recording. Callie, quit that.
Yeah. It's right there.
Oh, yeah.
Go ahead. Keep going. It's a bird right there, and no one even notices this. You're gonna scare him. Oh! Ah! Help!
Come on. Oh, jeez.
Go, 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 go!
Come on.
Get him out that way. Get him out that
Come
way.
on.
Go! That way. Oh, shit.
Get that way. Ew. Callie,
Go get in the gun.
go this way.
Tell him get in the gun. I have no idea how to get the fucking bird.
Cat.
Will help me?
Come on, Birdie. No, go this way. Come on, bird. You have to go this way. I guess not. Hey, wait for me. Oh, wait. Okay, this is shutting off.